Good evening and welcome to my channel Unboxing Real Estate PH. My name is Crisanto Encarnado. I'm a realtor, a father, and a family man. So today I would like to share to you our promos in Villa Castena subdivision. And meron tayong promo until the end of June. So you still have time to avail. That's why I would like to share this to you para malaman nyo kung ano ang mga ito. And by the way, before that, ang location pala ng Villa Castena subdivision is at Purok 4, Dalipuga, Iligan City. It's around 750 kilometers away from the National Road in Dalipuga. And as you can see at my back, ito yung mga promos natin. Ang one-story duplex, we have a discount of 5,000 pesos sa reservation fee. From 10,000, yung reservation fee ngayon is naging 5,000 na lang. And yung equity, meron siyang equity scheme na i-explain ko later. Yung two-story duplex naman is from 20,000, naging 15,000 na lang yung reservation. And yung equity niya is 7,666.67 per month. Again, same sa two-story single attached natin, yung reservation fee is 15,000 pesos and yung monthly equity is 9,305.56 per month. So if you will avail a unit before the month of June ends, makaka-discount tayo ng tigpa 5,000 pesos sa lahat ng mga units natin. And kagandahan ng promo natin guys is this. Ito yung mga buyers promo natin. Yung buyers promo natin for one-story unit or yung one-story duplex is yun again, the reservation fee has a discount of 5,000 pesos. That's why the reservation fee is 5,000. And may discount sa equity. So yung total equity minus 15,000, yun lang yung babayaran mo for the equity. And then, what's amazing is that makakatanggap tayo ng Wilcon gift card worth 10,000 pesos. Since may Wilcon na dito sa Iligan City, so hindi na tayo mahirapan papunta doon para kumuha ng mga appliances na gusto natin. And ito din, ang one-story units natin is meron siyang 3,000 pesos na monthly equity from 1st to 6 months. No? So from 1st to 6 months, 3,000 pesos yung equity natin. So kung gusto mo mag-budget muna, ayaw mo munang gumastos na marami, pwede mong i-avail ito, yung 3,000 pesos na equity monthly. And for our two-story units, ito yung mas malaki siya guys. No? Again, reservation fee is 15,000. Discount on the equity is 25,000. Meaning from the total equity minus 25,000, yun yung babayaran natin for the equity. And then, yung Wilcon gift card niya is mas malaki. It's 15,000 pesos. So, saan ka pa, di ba? Kung interested ka talaga sa unit ng Villa Castena subdivision, ito na yung time mo to get a unit because of these promos. Kasi malay natin, by the end of June, wala na to. No? O baka ibalik na nila from 10,000 to 20,000 yung reservation fee. Alright? And another thing is that yung mga one-story units natin, we have 4 units na ready to occupy. Ibig sabihin, ang mga units na to is already there. No, kung gusto mong puntahan yung unit before ka mag-reserve, makikita mo na siya kasi na-build na talaga siya. And yung kulang na lang is ikaw, no? Ikaw na bibili ng unit. At dito sa site development plan natin, yung mga nakikita nating pin na color blue is yan yung mga RFO units. Meron tayo sa Block 10, meron tayo sa Block 11, and Block 12. So, 4 na lang to. Ibig sabihin, sa mauna na lang na kumuha. Alright? And by the way, other thing, yung two-story single attached unit natin is isa na lang talaga yung natira. So, paunahan na lang kung sino yung makaunang mag-reserve ng ating two-story single attached unit. Alright? So, excited na ba kayo?